Good evening, everyone. Hope you all doing good. My name is Ashok Kumar. I am from third level. I am here to share you my English journey. Before that, I would like to ask you few questions. Why are you here? Why do we learn English? Is that much necessary to learn English? We all know the answers to these questions. Am I right, my dear friends? But I don't want to tell you common reasons to be here. Like I am from Telugu Medium background. I am from village. Though I am from English medium school and city, no one used to speak English there. That's why my English is not up to the mark. And I couldn't speak English in my interview. That's why I joined here. My husband told me to join here. That's why I joined here. I joined here for my job growth. All these are good reasons to join here and learn English. But what I'm trying to tell you is we don't need any reason or cause to learn English. We must learn English. I'll tell you one example. We are going to an unknown place. We don't have mobile. We don't have directions. Then how do you go? We ask someone for address, and then we go. Am I right? There we don't find anyone. Then what do we do? Wait for some time. We find out is there any person over there. So what happened here? It was just we were late. That's it. Finally, we have reached our destination. What we wanted to go. Yes or no, my dear friends? Like that. Similarly, in our lives without English, we won't be punished. We won't be hung. We won't be given third-degree treatment. Only thing is, the speed of our life journey becomes slow. That is why we don't need any cause or reason to learn English. Am I right? In my life, after many bitter experiences, I have decided to learn English at any cost. Then I asked my relatives, friends, the better way for learning English. My friends suggested me to watch YouTube videos and watch subtitles in English movies. I tried for a few days, but it didn't work out. Then again, I started asking friends. My family members suggested me to join any spoken English institute. One fine day, one of my cousins suggested me Fluenta. Then I came here and I talked over there. They have explained everything in a proper way. I like the concept and ideology in Fluenta. Without second thought, I joined here. In the beginning, I couldn't mingle with others. After few days, I have adjusted well. Initially, the syllabus in first level, it's like it was like Greek and Latin for me. After few days, I got understand the concept. In the second level, the trainer who was Mr. Bhima Rao made me practice well. Then I started speaking English slowly, but not confidently. After learning few important concepts in second level like passive sentences, yes or no questioning, after that I got promoted to third level. When it comes to third level, I personally felt that there were many new concepts in third level. Then I focusing on my English practice, and I spent more time on English, and I am doing homework sincerely. Gradually, I'm improving my language. Now I'm able to understand what others speak, and I'm able to give reply. I can't say I'm perfect in English, but I'm good when comparing to past. And I strongly believe that I'll be able to English very soon, and the English will be cakewalk for me in the future. Thank you very much, Fluenta and team, for making me confident in English. And finally, I want to suggest you that be punctual. Try not to skip the classes. You'll have more interesting concepts on your upcoming levels. And believe me, you'll have a command on English language in future after completing this course. Thank you very much. Thank you for giving me this great opportunity. Thank you.